multiple allelism. So this blood group, ABO blood grouping, is also an example for multiple allelism. So what do you mean by multiple allelism? It is the presence of more than 2 alleles of a gene to govern some character. So till now, we saw that only 2 alleles of a gene, they govern a particular character. But here, if you take the ABO blood grouping, 3 alleles are present. That is IA, IB, and I. But since humans are diploid, only 2 alleles are present in an individual. So they are diploid. So in an individual, only 2 alleles are present. So any 2 alleles may be present in a particular individual, and multiple alleles can be found in a population. So if you take a population or the many people, right, we can find the multiple alleles. For example, one person may have IA, so the blood group will be A. So this person blood group will be A. So the another person will have IA and I. So here also the blood group will be A. And some other person will have IB and IB. So the blood group will be B. So here B and A, B. So the blood group is AB. So if I is present, there's no antigen. So the blood group will be O, right? So each individual will have only 2 alleles, but multiple alleles are found in a population, right? So these alleles are present in different individuals. So, but 3 alleles, they control the ABO blood grouping.